In this video, I will share with you how to connect your domain name to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites and click on Websites list. Now, this is the website built using Hostinger Website Builder that I will connect my domain to. First, let's open it. As you can see, this is the temporary web address. So now click on Edit Website. Then click on Connect Domain. Click on this Change Domain button. In this domain name field, fill in your domain name. This domain name is registered with Hostinger. In your case, if your domain name is existing or registered with a different domain or domains company, just fill it here and you will see here that your domain is already registered. It's not a big deal. Just fill it here, click on it on this list, just like that. In my case, this domain is already registered and also connected to a site, which is true. So now after that, click on Next. Connecting your domain name to your new site means that your old site will be moved to a temporary web address. This is specific to me because this domain name is really registered to a different website on Hostinger. Check the box before I understand and hit confirm. Domain added to your site. So this is just the first part or the part from Hostinger Website Builder end. Now the second and last part is going to the domain name registrar or where your domain name is registered and tell them that you use Hostinger Website Builder. How to do this? Just log into your domain company provider. In my case, it's also Hostinger. So I will log into each panel. In your case, it may be GoDaddy, Bluehost, or any other website provider. Just same thing, go to the domains portfolio and next to your domain name, click on Manage and just look for something called DNS or name servers. It's the same thing. Click on it. As you can see, my domain name is connected to Bluehost. So both ends requires to know the other end. In my case, Hostinger Website Builder should tell Hostinger domain name provider that they use their domain name, and also the Hostinger domain provider should tell where to redirect your website visitors. And using these name servers or name servers are the domain provider way to tell them where to go. So here I will click on change name servers and I will fill in the Hostinger's website builder name servers, which are, I will look for them, name servers. This is the first name server. Fill it here. Here I can use Hostinger name servers and I will get those, or I will use those two name servers. But I want to show you how to edit this manually. In the case if your domain name is not registered on Hostinger, so you need to fill them manually, just like that. This is the first name server. And this is the second. You can fill them manually, just write ns1.dns-parking.com for the first name server and ns2 for the, and continue, then ns2.dns-parking.com for the second name server. This way you tell your domain name provider where to direct your website traffic. As you see, it may take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name server. This means that after updating your name servers on your domain name provider account, wait up to 48 hours. Sometimes it takes only 3 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, sometimes it can take up to 48 hours. So here, just be patient. Now that we've configured both ends, the domain name provider end, and also the website builder, yes, Hostinger website builder end, we can check if everything went well. As you can see, now automatically my domain name registered on Hostinger there or redirects me to my website built using Hostinger website builder. And this is how to connect your domain to Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.